Good evening, everyone. Tonight we are making a 4 peppercorn seared tuna steak with grilled vegetables in our BakerStone pizza oven and on our grill. For this delicious recipe, you need some tuna steaks, a 4 peppercorn blend, and various vegetables for grilling. Today we're using yellow and green zucchini, eggplant, green and red peppers, and some red onions. We're going to garnish this with some wedges of lime and some fresh cilantro. This recipe is super easy and super delicious to make. I'm going to take just some various vegetables. Today we have some zucchini, some bell peppers, some onions, some eggplant, right? And all we're going to do is we're going to toss this into a little bit of olive oil with a splash of pepper and a splash of salt. We're going to just mix this up a little bit. And we're going to place this on our BakerStone grill. Simply take your vegetables. I have this on a high heat right now. I want to get some nice grill marks on here. And I have the other side on low. So we're going to get some grill marks, and if we have to move it over while we're cooking our tuna steak, we can. Okay? Just going to close this up and let our BakerStone do all the work. So now that our vegetables are grilling, we're going to take our tuna steaks here, and we're just going to place a little bit of salt on each side. There's no point in adding any of our pepper to it because we're going to be encrusting it in our 4 peppercorn blend. Now that we're lightly salted, we're going to take our tuna. We're just going to encrust it in this peppercorn blend. I've taken a frying pan in our BakerStone pizza oven, and I have this on a very high heat. That's what I like. And this pan is smoking hot right now. I'm going to take our pan, I'm going to add a splash of oil to it, and I'm going to take our tuna steaks, place those in, and put those back in our pizza oven. While that's cooking, let's check on our vegetables. These vegetables look amazing. We're getting some beautiful char, which is what we're looking for. We're just going to let those finish up while our tuna is cooking. Now that our tuna is seared on one side, we're simply going to flip it over, and this is what we're looking for. We're looking for this beautiful, nice crust on our tuna that we're searing in our BakerStone pizza oven. So that's going to go back in for a couple more minutes. I prefer my tuna rare. If you want to cook it a little bit longer, medium, etc., just keep it in a little bit longer. Now that our vegetables are ready, we're simply going to take our vegetables off. Take our vegetables and place them down on our serving board. We're going to take this incredible 4 peppercorn encrusted tuna, place that on top. We're simply going to garnish this with some fresh lime and a little bit of cilantro. And there you have our signature BakerStone 4 peppercorn seared tuna steak with some grilled vegetables. Enjoy.